Hi gorgeous, it's Jay here. Welcome back to Rimmel's channel. For today's video, I created this fun, bold, smoky eye look. If you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Alright, so for today's look, we're gonna be using the Magnify Thunderstorm Edition palette. First shade, I'm gonna take this beautiful navy blue shade right here. I'm gonna use this small floppy brush. I'm just gonna apply this on the outer corner and slightly drag this in. That's super pigmented. Wow. So after that, I'm just gonna use a clean floppy brush and I'm just gonna fade this out a little bit. So using a small floppy brush, I'm just gonna take this dark brown matte shade right here and I'm going to apply this on my outer V right here, just to deepen it out a little bit more. Alright, so time for some fun colors. Let's try this purple shade right here. I'm just gonna use a flat brush to apply this and I'm gonna start with on the center. Next, I'm gonna take this green matte eyeshadow right here and I'm just gonna apply this on my lower lash line. Alright, so I applied the other eye off cam, so now we're gonna add some colors. We have this beautiful matte color right here. It is yellow and it's bright. I'm just gonna pop this on my inner corners. Alright, so to really pop the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Stay Matte setting spray and I'm just gonna spray this small brush right here. And boom. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use this Scandalized Gel Eyeliner. I love this one personally. It's super black and it glides so well. Do you guys see the difference? It makes this one more colorful and fun. This one is like a little bit more flat. Ooh, honey, she's smoky. Alright, time for some lashes. We have this brand new Wonderluxe mascara. It has 4 luxurious oils in it, which is argan, maracuja, marula, and camellia. I love that it has this curved wand. It is perfect for volumizing and separating your lashes. We really like this eye look to pop, so I'm also gonna apply some on my bottom lashes. Now, eye look done. Time for some highlighter. I'm gonna use this beautiful champagne shade right here. The same palette that we used earlier. And I'm just gonna apply this on the highest point of my face. And I'm also gonna use my finger, my middle finger, and I'm just gonna apply this right here. Alright, for the lips, I'm gonna use this Stay Glossy lip gloss in the shade Down to Gloss. Alright, so to set everything up, I have here the Stay Matte Fix and Go. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Alright guys, this is our finished look. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to follow me at Mosley and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.